Have you ever felt stuck, frustrated, or lost in life? Imagine if one simple habit could change your mindset, make you stronger, and help you succeed today. You'll discover how gratitude transformed the life of one ordinary person into an extraordinary story of confidence, mental strength, and success. Meet Armin ***, a young man in his 20s. He works hard but feels stuck. Every day is a struggle, failures at work, conflicts with friends, and endless worries. He feels tired and thinks, why is life so unfair? Emotion, frustration, sadness, hopelessness. One morning, Armin misses an important work deadline. His boss yells, his friends stop calling, and he feels completely defeated. He sits alone thinking, I'm not good enough. Nothing ever works for me. Emotion, despair, self-doubt, loneliness. While walking through the park, Armin meets an old man who smiles warmly. The old man says, happiness and success are not outside you. They are inside, and gratitude is the key. Armin laughs nervously, gratitude, that won't help me pay bills. Emotion, curiosity, skepticism, tiny spark of hope. That night, Armin writes in a notebook, I am alive. I have food to eat. I have a roof over my head. At first it feels silly, but after a few minutes he feels calm. Emotion, skepticism slowly turning into curiosity and calmness. Days pass, Armin keeps writing 3 things he's grateful for each morning. Slowly he notices small changes. He smiles more. He feels lighter in his mind. Emotion, hope, curiosity, subtle excitement. At work, instead of complaining, he notices small things. A colleague helping him. A small success in a report. His mindset shifts, he is calmer, more confident, and more focused. Emotion, confidence, optimism, motivation. Armin starts appreciating friends and family. Saying thank you often. Listening more and arguing less. Relationships improve naturally, people respond to his positivity. Emotion, warmth, love, emotional strength. One day, Armin faces a huge project at work that could make or break his career. Before he would panic, now he pauses and thinks, what can I learn? What can I be grateful for? He focuses on solutions instead of problems. Emotion, courage, determination, focus. Armin completes small tasks every day, celebrating little achievements. Finishing a report early. Helping a teammate. He feels proud and confident, his mental toughness grows. Emotion, pride, confidence, joy. Armin is offered a public speaking opportunity. He feels nervous but thinks of the people who supported him. He focuses on gratitude instead of fear and delivers an inspiring speech. Emotion, courage, bravery, emotional strength. A major setback occurs, a project fails. Instead of complaining, Armin reflects. What can I learn? What am I grateful for? He writes down lessons, improving himself for the future. Emotion, resilience, mental toughness, calmness. Months pass and gratitude becomes a habit. Armin's mind is stronger. Less anxiety, less anger. More focus, more patience. He realizes success is not only achievements, but also peace of mind, ***. Emotion, empowerment, inner peace, motivation. Armin starts helping others by teaching gratitude. Mentoring colleagues. Supporting friends in hard times. His confidence inspires others. People notice his calm and positivity. Emotion, inspiration, fulfillment, happiness. Armin's career improves naturally. Promotions, recognition, and respect come, not because of luck, but because of his mindset and resilience. Gratitude has transformed his life. Emotion, triumph, joy, pride, fulfillment. The secret that changed Armin's life is simple: gratitude. Gratitude strengthens your mind, builds confidence, and makes you emotionally strong. It turns challenges into lessons, fears into courage, and ordinary days into extraordinary opportunities. You too can start today. Write 3 things you are grateful for every single day and watch your life transform. Remember, your mindset is your superpower. Gratitude is the key.